Yeah, price will affect it because most of the time, consumers, we are conscious of price. The first thing that comes to our mind, that goes through our brain, is the price of that product. So if the price is falling, we'll start trying to buy more because there will be speculation that the price will later rise. So we want to seize the opportunity to maximize our benefits. I think it's clear. So, for price elasticity of demand, firms are the one that sets the price. Yes or no? Firms, they set the price, right? In the course of setting the price, they need to know the response of consumers because they are setting the price for consumers to be able to buy. So if firms increase the price of a product, they will be waiting for the response in the market. If they reduce the price of a product, they will still be waiting for the response from the market. Yes or no?
Yes.
Great. So the response they get, they have to measure it. So how do they measure it? They measure it through what? Price elasticity of demand. That is why we say it is the degree of responsiveness to the quantity demanded of a product as a result of a change in price. A change in price. A change in price can be an increase in price or decrease in price. Thank you. So what is the formula for price? Because they want to measure. And if we have to measure, we need to find what? A mathematical understanding of it. That's measurement. Right or no? Great. So for PED, it is percentage change in the quantity demanded over percentage change in price. So here we say PED. So the derivative for this formula is Q2 minus Q1. I'm going to explain each one, okay? Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 divided by P2 minus P1 over P1. How do we get this Q2 and Q1? Let's go back to the formula. We said a change in quantity demanded. So whenever, please stop writing and listen. There's a change in quantity demanded of a product, right?
Yes.
We said a change can be an increase or a decrease. Great. If quantity that stands with Q, so that means there is an original price. There's an original quantity. Sorry. This is quantity, right? There is always the original quantity. Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, these customers, when the price was this, they used to buy that. That is the original quantity. So we assume that the original quantity is what? Q1. Do you get it? Do you understand what I'm saying here?
Yes.
We assume that what? The original quantity is Q1. So we write where Q1 is the original quantity. Are you with me, guys?
Yes.
Right. Then we said this is a change in quantity, right? Change in quantity. So it's going to change from Q1 to Q2. Great. So Q2 will be what? New quantity. Do you get this two now?
Yes.
Now we go to over percentage change in price. Where P1 will be what?
Original price.
Thank you. Original price. And
P2 is a
P2
new price.
new price. Thank you. Do you understand what you hear?
Yes.
Any question about this? Then the formula, right? For price elasticity of demand, we need to measure how consumers, as a firm, we need to measure how consumers have responded to the change of price. So to measure it, we need calculations. To measure it, we need arithmetic to measure it. So to measure, the formula is percentage change in the quantity demanded over percentage change in the price. This is the formula. So the derivative for the formula is Q2 minus Q1 over Q1 divided by P2 minus P1 over P1. Where Q1 is the original quantity. There's a quantity for certain price. But there's a change now. Consumers have responded because the firms have changed the price. So how do they respond? They will respond through the quantity they demand. That is why there's always what? The original quantity. Now the quantity they are buying as a result of a change in price becomes the new quantity. The you get it now? There is always the original price for the original quantity. So the original price will be as a result of the original quantity. Now there's a new price, which is the new price set at P2 would change the quantity demanded to what? Q2. P1 for Q1, P2 for Q2. Is it clear to you? Is it clear, guys? Yes?
P1 to Q1 and P2 to Q2.
Q2. Thank you. So from here, we can get our TR, and our TR, remember our total revenue is price multiplied by quantity. Yes or no? Do we remember, please, the number? Do we remember that? So if TR is equals to P times Q, our TR1 will be what? P1 multiplied by Q1. Do you get it? Then the change in revenue will be what? TR2 will be what? Do we get it?
Yes.
Please put this in your mind. So this is the derivative. This is what we need to use to solve our price elasticity of